In Australia's dynamic and diverse learning landscape, STEM Hong Kong is passionate about sparking creativity and empowering students with future-ready skills. Our innovative AI software transforms kids' drawings into 3D models, bridging imagination and technology in classrooms and community workshops. Our STEAM courses combine programming, AI, robotics, and 3D design to nurture problem-solving skills, creative thinking, and practical application, helping every child grow into a confident innovator. Programming classes encourage students to break down challenges and build logical solutions, often through engaging hands-on robot control activities that promote focus and teamwork. AI education introduces young minds to the exciting world of data and machine learning, fostering curiosity and critical awareness about technology's role in society. 3D modeling provides students with a tangible outlet for creativity, developing spatial skills and design thinking from concept to physical creation. We work closely with local schools, educators, and communities to tailor programs that resonate culturally and foster inclusive, collaborative learning environments. With programs now reaching Australia, New Zealand, and China, STEM Hong Kong connects learners worldwide to equip them for tomorrow's challenges. Join us and help nurture the innovators and leaders of the future.